There's Rocksteady at King of the Pit TV.
Yes, now, bless. Now, don't forget the rest now. There's Rocksteady, King of the Pit TV. We're listening to the Arctic Monkeys, whatever people say that's what I'm, blah, blah, blah. It's too long for me to remember. I can't see the title of the album. I'm dying of a cough. All we know is that's the first album, alright? Fake Tales of San Francisco is the track we're listening to now. It's track number 3 of 13. Is there really 13 tunes? Yep, there is 13 tunes on this record. We've got a big, long advertisement, wasting my life away. Everybody is rating the drumming. I never picked up on this with this band. Top comment, this album has some of the best drumming in recent times. Crazy, eh?
Andrew.
Bloody hell. Getting ill now, people.
In all of
Fake tales of San Francisco echo through the room. More point to a wedding disco without a bride or groom. And there's a super cool band, yeah, with the trilbies and the glasses of white wine. And all the weekend rock stars are in the toilets.
Very indie riff, this, huh?
I don't want to hear you kick me out, kick me out. I don't want to hear you no kick me out, kick me out. I don't want to hear you kick me out, kick me out. I don't want to hear you, I don't want to hear you. Fake tales of San Francisco echo.
Great use of 2 guitars there.
And there's a few bored faces at the back.
What was this band a 5-piece at the time? Or was this overdubbed guitar?
Microphone squeaks, the young girl's telephone beeps. Yeah, she's dashing for the exit. Oh, she's running to the streets outside. Oh, you saved me, she screams down the line. The band would fucking wank and I'm not having a nice time. I don't want to hear you. Kick me out, kick me out. I don't want to hear you, no. Kick me out, kick me out. Yeah, but Bird said it's amazing though, so all that's left is the proof that love's not only blind but deaf. He talks to San Francisco, he's from a hunter's bar. I don't quite know the distance, but I'm sure I
Great production on this record. I like how the guitars are now, blazing hot. But they're not overpowering. The production hasn't pushed it to the forefront to the extent where we're now listening to some crushing metal music. You can hear the emphasis on the power behind the guitars, but the clarity of the drum kit is still as clear as ever, and overall the production is still nice and tight and composed. So it gives this great... you can hear what's going on with guitars, but there's no need for them to blow it out of proportion. It's all still very contained, and it just sounds very good. That bass. Nice. Great little sing-along section. Now, how many of these tunes do they play live nowadays? Good little number that, Fake Tales of San Francisco. People were sort of going into the lyrical content and concept of the song in the comments, but I didn't really pick up on it, nor do I care. We've got Dancing Shoes coming up next, alright?